What it do, y'all? We live early morning trading. It's the 31st. I see a beautiful setup right here. I wanted to show y'all. Walk out through this little trade breakdown. So right here we have a zone for rejection. As you can see, consolidated over here, came down, supported here, resisted, supported, resisted, came down, supported, resisted here. I'm waiting for a little bit more of a push back into this resistance zone to close this bullish engulf. Free space right under the zone. A fair inversion value gap right there. And honestly, it wouldn't even be bad to input now. I'm just staying patient. Hit this. Use this as a resistance. Inside of the Keltner. Look like it's breaking that structure now. So it's going right into where we want it with an overbought. This is small pullback that the bears are going to use that the bulls are going to use as momentum to get here. I apologize, that's a bearish engulf. Setting up perfect though. See the consolidation right here. It's meeting each other now. It's overbought. This next green candle should take us in here. Then we'll be overbought. We'll get our sell. Stay patient though, we want it in our zone. It's all about entry time now. It's overbought on the stochastic, 624. It's already resisting once it gets there. We might use the middle of the Keltner, the EMA on the Keltner this time. I'll transition y'all over to the big screen. So as y'all can see, we have a bearish engulfing setting up on an overall downtrend, and we have two previous reactions to the zone that we marked up. Now, we missed out on this first entry, but it was just confirmation to let us know in the overall trend that we doing what we supposed to be doing. So watch it work. All right, so now I see some retracement after that bearish candle. And since I missed out on the first entry, I went ahead and lowered my unit size and decided to get in early at the previous zigzag zone. And yeah, y'all see what happened. All right, y'all. So we took profits on that trade. I switched over pairs because I was confident in the hold of that bearish candle. Now we still looking for that sniper entry up back at our zone. So we're going to stay posted and we're going to wait for it to retrace. All right, y'all. So I went ahead and marked up that bottom zone from previous consolidation. And as you can see, it retraced there perfectly, went back into a bullish trend. So at the middle of my Keltner moving average, I decided to sell, see if I could get an early entry, and let's see what happens. All right, y'all. So we did end up losing this trade, although it became another confirmation for us in that the bullish trend reached our zone finally again. It became another double top. It's outside of the Keltner. So we upped our unit size and we went for it. Let's see how it goes. Booyah. We got action. All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we took profits here. Man, this was a beautiful setup right here. I'm glad I got this recorded for y'all. I personally think this trend is going to fall and it's gonna continue to go down. So we're gonna look for some more sales in it, and I'll keep y'all updated. Let's go. All right, so as y'all can see in this clip right here, we take profits on a bullish trend. That's the bigger screen of it. We wait for some pullback. I really wanted to wait for it at the Kellner, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger, and let's see the results. All right, y'all. So I see a super downtrend going on right here. I go back and set some previous consolidation zones, some highs and lows, and I wait for my entry time. And yeah, let's see the result. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's keep it rolling. Hey, look, quickly, I switch over to this next pair, Euro AUD. I see a little bit of pullback and what looks like to me a full double bottom setting up to go up to that very top zone up there and then probably break past it. So we placed our trade and let's see how it goes. Yes, sir. All right, beautiful people. When I tell you we scalping right now, we in a zone. Like how Mike and Kobe used to do back in the day. Yeah, we in a zone. Let's keep it rolling. All right, y'all. If y'all remember from our very first setup, I marked that very bottom zone that it will go back down to. It's finally hit there. So we already know what to do. We placed a buy. We upped our unit size honestly a little bit. We placed a buy, and yeah, let's see how it goes. Man, oh man, man, oh man. Shea Gilly, free throw line, easy layups. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go. Let's go. Exactly what we wanted from that double bottom, reaching that very high previous consolidation zone, well, previous retracement zone. We waited for our entry, and let's see how it goes. Now, that was a beautiful session right there, y'all. When I tell you, I went like 10 for 11, and then I went like 7 for 8 back to back. So we're going to wrap up the session there, and I'm going to tap back in with y'all.
What it do, beautiful people? We back. We on a roll right now. I'm sure y'all saw the recap from earlier of the trading session. We had a great trading session this morning, man. Pretty much doubled the account from about 380 to 700 after a losing day yesterday, you know what I'm saying? So sticking to the script, sticking to the confluences, the confirmations, on top of the paybot. The paybot was hitting like a motherfucker today. So, man, we really ramped it up and had a great session. We're going to move that into tomorrow. But right now, y'all know what time it is. Had to get some grub. So, if y'all from California, or if y'all not from California, I'm from California. You feel me? So wherever y'all from, let me know if y'all got this right here. Matter of fact, I ain't gonna show the sign. Oh, and actually, yeah, I'm gonna show the sign. I know what that is. I can't really see, but yes, sir. You already know what time it is. In and out. It's raining in that motherfucker, so I literally ran in there, ordered it right quick, came back outside, cause I didn't want to wait. It was hella people in there. The line was even longer. Shit, I'm the type I just go inside right quick. It ain't nothing. But yeah, we just chilling in the heat, car running. Probably go get some more dashes in later. Let me see. Yeah, go get some more dashes in later, and then I'll hit the gym as well. So I'll keep y'all updated on the gym. Also, my homeboy AJ been tapping in about trading. So he asking how much. He asked me a question. He said, "What's the best? What's realistically? What's the best amount for him to deposit into his trading account?" And I guess my honest answer was realistically, what is the best? What is the amount of not best? What is the amount of money that you want to make? If you want to make $100, $500, $1,000, you know what I'm saying? Then 200, $150, $250, $500. You know, that's a relatively small account that'll give you the leverage though enough to make $100 to $200 to $300. Excuse me. But you know, if you want to make $1,000, if you want to make $5,000, $10,000, you're gonna have to have the capital on there to do that, because you're not always gonna win. You gotta be able to stay in the game when you do lose. And y'all always hear me say this: make sure that y'all losses is not as big as y'all wins. Y'all losses is always minimal, and our profits is always maximum. You know what I'm saying? And like my homeboy said, be realistic. Be realistic with yourself. If you just a beginner, don't throw $1,000 on there if you ain't got $1,000 to lose. First of all, demo trade like I always say, or throw you $150 on there, $250 in there. I feel like that's a good enough investment to where if you were to happen to lose that, that's, you know, shit. I mean, that is life changing for some people. You know what I'm saying? So we ain't gonna do that. But that's in his position, or in his case, he should be okay with, or people wanting to learn, wanting to add to their revenue streams. That should be a relative unit size to where, not unit size, but account size to where you're, you know, it's not a life changing loss. You know what I'm saying? Although it can be. So make sure you leverage your account right. Yeah, buddy. That bag is secure. Oh, knocked my bag over. Shit. All right. Yes, sir. Y'all know what time it is. Yeah, and if y'all didn't know, make sure y'all grab a little lime with your burger. Dab a little lime on there, and when you take a bite of your burger with the ketchup and the lime and all that on there, make sure you take a bite. Make sure you take a bite of one of these chili hot peppers. Once you take the bite, and that's how you eat it. A lot of people come California thinking it in and out ain't that good, but it's about how you eat it, player. Game personified. All right, y'all. We back. We headed to the gym right now. It's New Year's. It's the first for some people right now. It's about 9:30 in Cali. About to hit the gym, you feel me? I ain't into going out and shit right now. Trying to stack up 100 bands. Transition from a 10 band man to a 6-figure nigga this year, you hear me? But it's the consistency, it's the discipline, and then we gonna scale. You feel me? But yeah, we're at the gym for now. I'll show y'all a little bit of that, and then we'll be back later. Let's do it.
Stack fam, what it do? If you made it this far into the video, you a motherfucking real one. Last time y'all seen me, I think I was at the gym. The last time y'all seen me in the vlog. It's the new year now. It's the first of 2026. We're gonna be all that we can be this year. We're gonna scale, we're gonna teach, we're gonna be taught. We're gonna be the best version of ourselves and make sure that we love in life to the fullest. So, if y'all stayed with me this far into the video, comment express. Express. And I'm going to give you the Discord Financial Freedom Trader link for free. That's right, I said it. For free. And it won't be free long, man. So make sure y'all tune in. Let's go. Happy New Year.